Vinyl window installation in Taylor MI is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. With a variety of vinyl window options available, Taylor MI window contractors provide custom vinyl windows tailored to your specific needs. Vinyl window suppliers in Taylor MI offer a wide range of vinyl window styles and designs to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient windows are a crucial consideration for any homeowner in Taylor MI. Taylor MI energy-efficient windows not only reduce energy costs, but also improve the comfort of your home. Vinyl Windows Taylor ensures that your home remains warm in the winter and cool in the summer, providing year-round comfort. Custom vinyl windows. Taylor offer a personalized touch to your home. With a variety of vinyl window sizes and colors available, you can choose the perfect fit for your home. Taylor MI window designs are crafted to match your unique style, ensuring that your home stands out in the neighborhood. Window replacement services in Taylor MI are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Vinyl window replacement in Taylor MI is a cost-effective solution for upgrading your windows. Affordable Windows Taylor, Michigan provide excellent value without compromising on quality. Vinyl windows Taylor replacement services are available for those in need of quick and efficient solutions. Taylor MI window replacement services ensure that your windows are functioning optimally, preventing any potential issues from escalating. Vinyl window maintenance in Taylor MI is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Double-hung vinyl windows are a popular choice among Taylor MI residents. These windows offer versatility and ease of use, making them a practical option for any home. Vinyl window features in Taylor MI include durability and low maintenance, making them a smart investment for homeowners. Vinyl window contractors in Taylor MI are experts in their field, providing top-notch service and installation. Taylor MI window experts are knowledgeable about the latest vinyl window solutions and can guide you in selecting the best options for your home. Vinyl Windows Taylor upgrades can significantly enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal.